In a few simple steps, I will show you how to create your own website using AI on your phone and with zero programming experience. Well, I'm lying. You'll need about 0.1% experience in the basics of programming, or maybe even less. You'll need a code editor. I use QuickEdit, but you can use any other code editor that works on your phone. It doesn't matter. We'll take the code entirely from DeepSeek. But before we start, you need to know the main structure of the website. This is important to stay on the right track, but if you're an expert, skip this explanation. Look at this image here. This is the file that will contain everything. It's called My Website. It consists of 4 main files: the home page, the about page, the support page, a CSS file to organize the interface. Without it, the pages will look like my room. There are also images, and they must be named correctly to appear on the page. Okay, let's start programming. After giving DeepSeek the instructions to build the 3 pages we want, we need to test the code to see if it works correctly. Copy the code and select the HTML programming language to test the home page. If it looks like this, don't worry. We just haven't added the CSS and the image yet. After testing the code, save it in the required file, which you need to create first. But don't save the file as homed. Save it as indexed instead. You need to create the files with these names for them to work correctly. After preparing the codes and placing them in a specific folder, make sure to attach the images with their correct names. Then, we'll check if the pages work properly on QuickEdit. The style looks good and the images are there. I told DeepSeek to add a YouTube link and some text here and there. The file works, but how do we upload it to the web so people can see it? There are free ways and paid ways, like web services and buying your own domain. But we'll use the free method, which is uploading the files to GitHub. Now we'll move to the laptop to continue the explanation. I transferred the files to the laptop to make the explanation easier, but you can actually continue uploading the files using your phone. Of course, all the files are here, and they've all been named correctly. You can test them on the browser to see if they work. Go to GitHub and sign up if you don't have an account. Click on the plus sign at the top of the screen, then click on New Repository. Enter a name and make it public so people can see it. Then click Create Repository. This page will load. Under the Quick Setup option, you'll see Uploading an existing file in blue. Click on that and this page will appear, where you can drag and drop all the files we need for the website. After uploading the files, click on Settings, then Pages. In the branch field, select Main, then Save and wait a bit until it gives us the link to the website. The website works effectively, but if you want your own domain, you'll need to buy one. This website was entirely designed by DeepSeek. But what if we test the most famous AI models? Who will win?